Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of this dark from outside TikTok trend edit tutorial. In this part, we were adding overlays, flashes, and creative marks to create a layered look. And then if you haven't seen the part 1, you can click the links on the descriptions. Okay, let's get started. Just place a black flash at the end of the clips too, like this. Like this, and then go to objects and then choose all videos like this, and then between clip 5 and 6 in here just insert a white overlay, and then next add a black overlay starting at the clips 8. And then just set it starting at clip 8 and into the middle of clip 10. And then just reduce the opacity to around 60, like this. Next, just add smudge, choose mirror, and then invert, like this. And then just add 3 keyframes. And then at the first keyframe, just zoom in the mouse like this. And then at the second keyframes, just zoom out like this and then rotate 90 degrees. Last keyframes, just adjust the mask like this. Then just add another black overlay between clips 8 and 9. And then go to max, and then choose horizontal like this. And then just duplicate the overlay. And then go to max again, and then just invert like this. And then just duplicate the 10 clips. And then just drop saturations to -30. And then make it as an overlay like this. And then just fade it out with a keyframes. Start visible. And then at the last keyframes, just adjust the opacity to 0. Like this. And then just add graph is out. And last, on the clip 11, just add a custom overlay. Like this. And then just go to remove background. And then chroma key. And then just adjust the intensity to 70. And that's part 2. Overlays and masks are now set up. And in the part 3, we will take it up another level with the ripples, shakes, and blur effects to make the edit pop. And okay, that's it. See you at the part 3.